Hello, special pillars. How are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I have been away from this space like for 3 weeks now, I think. 3 weeks to 1 month. Yes, we have been busy because we moved from our previous location to a new location. Yeah, so we've moved from our apartment to a semi-detached house. Yeah, video on that coming. But we are still very busy with unpacking and all of the stuff associated with moving from one house to the other. So yeah, anyway, this video is a video about the things that happened before I traveled to Greece. Yes, it's an old video. I mean, I've been back from Greece for like 3 weeks now, but I have filmed it, so I decided I should just upload it. But I have kind of packed everything, cut off a lot of, very good chunk of the footages that I have to pack everything into this one video. So I hope it's interesting and I hope you enjoy watching the video. So anyway, this is the morning after I finished that massive meal prep that I showed you. So I am here cleaning up the kitchen and every other thing that was left. Yes.
Easy come.
So later that day, after we finished, I finished cleaning up and we had lunch. Then we moved out to go and view a house that we were considering leasing. Okay, so because this time we were very intent, we wanted to move to a house, so we were checking out row townhouses, semi-detached houses, detached houses. So for this one, first of all, I did not like the fact that it was directly facing the major road in that area. It wasn't kid friendly or kids friendly in that sense. But also, I don't like these type of houses where these types of houses where once you get into the door, the entrance, the thing you're going to see would be stairs. No ante room, no cloakroom, no space for you to keep things. No, I don't like that type of house. But also, what solidified my rejection for this particular house was the backyard. I think you just saw that. It did not have any backyard. Yeah, we had another row of houses facing the backyard, and the garage was literally the backyard. The backyard was literally the garage. So you don't have any space. You only had just three bedrooms, a dining room, and your living room. Of course, it had three toilets. I'm like, why three toilets without any other additional room? So kind of didn't work for me and we left it. I didn't also like the fact that the fridge was this type of one door fridge. I was looking for a larger fridge because I cook a lot. So the kids seem to like it. They were just looking, my children. All they have ever wanted is to live in a house with stairs, right? So this stairs was just giving them, I don't know, vitamin. But as the adult, you know what you really want and what they will eventually come to like and enjoy. But apart from that, the house was very clean, looked very fine and well maintained. I think it was a pretty new house. But yeah, the other things just did not work for me. And so we did not end up renting this particular house. In a future video, I'm going to show you the one we eventually rented, and you are going to like it, I think.
Don't wait for me, honey. Don't wait, 'cause I'm always heading your way. And I know exactly what I'm looking for. And as we go, I'll keep running till I can.
So the plan this morning is to make breakfast. and have it together with my family, because we decided that, yeah, instead of bringing all of them to the airport and having my son, like yell, because I think they're going to cry. I don't want it. So anyway, they'll go to the school, to the summer school this morning, and I'm going to take them together with daddy. And yeah, we're going to have a nice, lovely breakfast. So I'm trying to make cinnamon rolls this morning. Yeah, I hope I do that quickly. All right, so let's start, shall we? Okay.
No, this way. Hold the plate very well because it's breakable. Treasure, have you brushed your teeth? Try and brush against it. Says Christmas on top of the handle. Christmas. Wow. Good job. Yeah.
I thought there
So
were
then stop
vegetables.
cooking. Because if it's still hot, it will be getting softer and softer. We want it crispy, right?
Radio up and the blinds pulled down. You love it when nobody's around. I wanna call out my town, but you bite my lip, don't make a sound. I'll be damned if I'm leaving without you.
No, just straight up. Straight cut forward. Okay, thanks.
So give me a minute to catch my breath. Take what's yours, I'll take what's left. We used to come in a sacrifice, always fail to pass the test. I'll be damned if I'm leaving without you.
She will not listen to me.
wanted to do because I see white. It's because I see white things, and then also seasoning.
As you can probably already see, on the day of my trip, I had to, I decided to make an elaborate breakfast and for us to eat together at the table before my trip, okay? And because the kids at the time we are going to is attending summer school, right? So we needed to drop them off in the morning. I just wanted to spend a little time together as a family before I finally go. Of course, I had been preparing them for my absence, my 3 week absence, and yeah, it was not easy really making this trip, but it was for good. And my summer school was very interesting, and I also got time to rest because hubby said, honey, just take some time and rest. So you know what? After the summer school, even before the summer school, I went like 3 days ahead of time, lodged in a hotel at Athens, and just had fun. Like I was eating very nice food because the food over there very nice. The vegetables very wonderful, right? So eating nice food, going around, seeing places. My friend from University of Toronto also came to the summer school, so we were going out together. Um, and then when it was time, we traveled down to Crete, University of Crete. Yes, that was where the summer school eventually took place for 2 weeks. And the week after, okay, like 2 days after, I went down to Hania. Hobby also booked another hotel for me in Hania. So I had a lot of time to relax, rest, look around, go and see different places, just eat nice food and not do any house chores, courtesy of my husband. Okay. So yeah, it was a very nice, wonderful, recharging summer for me. And so when came back, I was ready to resume my duties again. Okay. So it's very nice, right? Uh-huh. So I wanted to spend this beautiful time with them together, having this breakfast and just, make everybody relax. And then when we dropped them off the school, hubby took me to the airport later in the day. And yeah, that's it.
Please, I need you to be
Later on in the night, when the crowds have gone, we could talk under moonlight till dawn.
So we dropped off the kids at school, and then I went to pick up just a few remaining things, some personal stuff
I dropped off the
that we'll
kids
be
at school.
needing. I said we.
You're going that I'm not.
I was in my anyway.
So Peter, there,
Oh, what
Peter,
are you
if
just?
that
Yeah,
green
the
arrow,
arrow protected.
so it's protected me, I should turn. But after the one of that arrow, I should wait for the Nabia until the one of the Nabia.
I've started driving, but not yet confident enough. So I'm just taking it gradually. Anyway, so and then I went to pick up a few things. Now I get home and I simply, try to finish up my packing that I stopped yesterday to go to bed, right? And then I'll be set. Let's please. And by 4 or 4:30, I leave for the airport.
So this was how at this particular point we are getting ready to leave for the airport, and that's how everything went, right? I think the next videos I'm going to be showing are going to be just little clips of some of the things I did in Crete and in Athens actually. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you next time. All right, bye. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment. Okay, share with other people as well. See you.
We could stay to watch the sunrise, cancel all our plans. We don't need a reason why we just can't.